Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCO, SOF National Cyber Olympiad, Class 1, Chapter 4, Keyboard and its Keys. Let us learn more about keyboard and its keys. Yeah, a keyboard helps us to enter information into a computer with the help of buttons present on it. Take a look at the picture below. So, what is a keyboard? A keyboard helps us to enter information into a computer with the help of some buttons. In a keyboard, we can see different types of keys. We have number keys, spacebar key, alphabet keys, arrow keys. Then, first one, number keys. They are 10 in number. The keys from 0 to 9, they are called number keys. So, the keys from 0 to 9 are called number keys. Then, next one, spacebar key. This is the space bar key. Space bar key, it is very important. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It enters a space between letters. So, it is the longest key on the keyboard. Then we have alphabet keys. The keys from A to Z are called alphabet keys. They are 26 in numbers. How many alphabet keys are there? 26. They are used to type letters and words. Then we have arrow keys. They are used to move cursor left, right, up and down. Okay. So the arrow keys are used to move cursor left, right, up and down. Then we have some special keys. See, we have caps lock, then enter key, tab, alt, control, shift. These keys are called special keys. First question, to type on a computer screen, we need a dash. Option A, pencil. Option B, pen. Option C, printer. Option D, keyboard. Which is the correct answer? Option D, keyboard. Pen and pencil, they are used to write on a paper. Then what is the use of printer? Printer is used to take printouts. Only keyboard is used to type on computer screen. The next one, the buttons present on a keyboard are called dash. Option A, wheels. Option B, keys. Option C, scrolls. Option D, printers. The buttons present on a keyboard are called keys. So, option B is the correct answer. The next one, words and sentences are typed using dash keys. Option A, number. Option B, special. Option C, alphabet. Option D, control. Which type of keys are used to type words and sentences? Option C, alphabet. Alphabet keys are used to type words and sentences. Which of the following is not an alphabet key? Option A, Q. Option B, F10. Option C, Z. Option D, O. Which is not an alphabet key? Option B, F10. This F10 is a special function key, not an alphabet key. Okay. Then, fifth one. Whatever is typed using keyboard can be seen on dash. Option A, mouse. Option B, CPU. Option C, speaker. Option D, monitor. Which is the correct answer? Option D, monitor. Whatever you type using keyboard, you can see on monitor. Then next one, select the incorrect match. See, option A moves the cursor up. Option C moves the cursor to the right. Option B moves the cursor down. Option D, enter, moves the cursor to the left. Which option is incorrect one? Option D, enter key. This enter key brings the cursor to the next line. To type capital letters, turn on the dash key on the keyboard. Option A, delete. Option B, enter. Option C, caps lock. Option D, arrow key. Which key is used to type capital letters? Caps lock. Option C, caps lock. The next one. Which key can be used to type a letter in capital when caps lock key is off? Option A left arrow, option B right arrow, then option C shift, then option D control. Which key is used to type a letter in capital when caps lock key is off? Option C shift. Shift key is used in combination with number keys to type symbols printed on them. It is also used to type in capital letters when caps lock is off and to type in lowercase letters when caps lock is on. Dash key is also called as return key. Option A spacebar, option B enter, option C delete, option D backspace. Which key is also called as return key? Option B enter. Okay. Which of the following words cannot be completed with a given set of keys? Keys are given K, A, P, S, O, M, C. See, we have given options as backspace, caps lock, home, delete. Which key cannot be completed with a given set of keys? Option D, delete. Why? L and T keys are not there to form word delete. So, option D is the correct answer. Which of the following keys would you use to type your name and age? Option A, number keys. Option B, alphabet keys. Option C, arrow keys. Option D, both A and B. So, answer is option D, both A and B. Both number keys and alphabet keys. Then, which of the following keys would you use to add gap between two words? Option A, delete. Option B, shift. Option C, enter. Option D, spacebar. So, to add gap between two words, we use spacebar. So, answer is option D. Dash key erases anything typed on the right of the cursor. Option A, toggle. Option B, delete. Option C, backspace. Option D, arrow. Which key erases anything typed on the right of the cursor? Option B, delete. The next one, caps lock is also called as dash key. Option A, toggle. Option B, return. Option C, symbol. Option D, extra. Which is the correct answer? Option A, toggle. The keys from 0 to 9 are called dash keys. Option A, alphabet. Option B, arrow. Option C, number. Option D, special. Number. Option C is the correct answer. Achiever section. Observe the position of cursor in the given word. We have given a word kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Here the cursor is after letter T. What we have to do? We have to rearrange the steps given below to replace letter K with letter B. We have to replace letter K with the letter B. Now the cursor is at what position after T? So, what we should do? So, first what we have to do? Press left arrow 2 times. So, this is the first step. First, press left arrow key 2 times. So, now the cursor will come here after K. Then, what we should do? Press backspace key. Then it will delete K. So, this is the second one. Press backspace key. Then, we have to enter alphabet B. See. So, which is the correct option? Option D. 2, 3, 1. Okay. So, the correct answer is option D. After pressing left arrow key 2 times, cursor is after the letter K. Then pressing backspace key deletes the letter K. Pressing alphabet B key types the letter B at cursor position. Look at the given image of a keyboard. The key which will replace X is dash key. Option A spacebar, option B caps lock, option C backspace, option D delete. So the correct answer is option C backspace. Option C This backspace will come in this position. Okay. What is the difference between delete key and backspace key? Option A. Delete key is used to erase a character. Backspace key is used to give a small gap between two characters. Then option B. Delete key erases characters to the right of the cursor. Backspace key erases character to the left of the cursor. Then option C. Delete key erases characters to the left of the cursor. Backspace key erases characters to the right of the cursor. Option D. None of these. Which is the correct answer? Option B. Delete key erases characters to the right of the cursor, but backspace key erases characters to the left of the cursor. Search and count the type of keys hidden in the given word grid. See, we will check the hidden keys here. See, delete, D-E-L-E-T-E, delete. Then we have number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Then we have backspace, see, B-A-C-K-S-P-A-C-E. Backspace. Then we have alphabet, A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T, alphabet. So we have 4 keys hidden. So option B, 4. Which of the following statements is incorrect about alphabet keys? Incorrect about alphabet keys. Option A, they are used for typing letters and words. Is it correct? Yes, they are used for typing letters and words. Then there are 26 alphabet keys available on the keyboard. That statement is also correct. There are 26 alphabet keys. The first 6 letters of alphabet keys forms the name of a keyboard layout. Is it correct? Yes. That is QWERTY. These 6 keys forms the name of a keyboard layout. Then the last one, the last 7 letters of the alphabet keys forms the name of the inventor of the keyboard. That statement is wrong. So, option D is the correct answer. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see in the next video. Thank you.